In this video, we will walk you through the creation of tag groups in Practifi. On the main page, go to the upper right corner and click Setup. A new page will open. On the left side, search for the Objects and Field option. Click on Pick List Value Sets. And then New. Copy and paste the list of Bento Life Events tags that our representative sent to you. Then click Save. Now we will have to add these life event tags to your contact list. Go back to the home screen. Go to the Contacts page. And click on your contact's name. Navigate to your contact details. And click on the small brush located in the Bento Life Events section. You can add all life event tags that fit this contact. Don't forget to save it. After adding all of Bento's Life Events tags, your CRM is set up to receive the Bento alerts and materials.